Hi, superstars! You're welcome to 2025. Happy New Year, my superstars. Okay, so I heard people are selling vision boards for 2025 on social media. Oh my god! Okay, so in this video, I'll be telling you how to set goals for 2025. Okay, I mean realistic goals, not goals that are not attainable. People said to set goals that are not realistic, goals that are not attainable, okay, goals that do not materialize. All right, so in this video, I'll be telling you how to set realistic goals that will help you reach your dream by the end of 2025. All right, my superstars, so let's get started. Okay, so first, as a business owner, you need to tell yourself the truth. Okay, what you need to set what you want to earn for the year, and by doing this you have to tell yourself the truth. How much did you make in 2024? How much did you make in sales? Did you make 100,000 every month, or did you make 200,000 every month? Okay, if you made 100,000 naira, that means you made 1.2 million naira in a year. And if you made 200,000 naira every month, that means you made 2.4 million naira by the end of 1 year. So you have to tell yourself the truth and set realistic goals. By realistic goals, it means that you have to double what you made last year. Okay, you don't have to like make it like 4 times. Okay, I made 1.2 million naira last year. This year I want to make 20 million naira. What magic are you going to do to attain that? As a business owner, you need to tell yourself the truth. Okay, I made 1.2 million naira, but I'm sure I can make 2.4 million naira. That is, I can double sales by the end of next year, or I can triple sales. All right, and after telling yourself that, you need to swing into action. You don't just say it and then go to sleep. No. You need to swing into action. What steps do you need to take? Okay, I want to make 2.4 million naira. That's 200,000 every month. First, you break it down into month. That means you want to make 200,000 naira every month. Then you break it down into weeks. We have at most 4 weeks in a month. Okay, so if you want to make 200,000 naira every month, that means in a week you have to make at least 50,000 naira. Okay, the least you should make every week should be 50,000 naira. All right, and more. Okay, because we do not just want to make that goal, we want to smash the goals and overtake. Okay, so it means at least you should make 50,000 naira every week. So apart from breaking it down into weeks, you want to make 50,000 naira every week, you have to go a step further to break it down into days. All right, how much do you need to make every day as a business owner to attain that 50,000 naira? Okay, so we have 6 business days in a week. Okay, from Monday to Saturday, that's 6 days in a week, business days. Okay, excluding Sundays. All right, so it means you have to make sales of at least 8,500 naira every day to be able to attain 50,000 naira every week and attain 200,000 naira every month, and then finally attain 2.4 million naira every year. Okay, so you need to make sales of 8,500 naira every day. If you sell goods of 1,000 naira, that means you have to sell to at least 9 people at 1,000 naira to make that 8,500 naira every day. And if you sell goods of 2,000 naira, you have to sell to at least 5 people every day to be able to make that target every day. Okay, so that's how you set realistic goals. That's how you set goals that are attainable. Okay, so I'm using small values so I do not scare people. There are actually people who make 10 million naira every month. There are people who make 20 million naira every month. People are making money in business. Okay, but I decided to use low figures so I don't scare beginners, so I don't scare people who are trying to venture into business. Okay, So those you can add that, use that principle for people who have made more and scale more and make more money in business. Okay, my superstars. All right, so that is how you set realistic goals. You do break it down into achievable numbers, how you can achieve it. You break it down to the barest minimum and then start from there. All right, so what do you need to do to attain that goal of making sales 50,000 naira a week? What did you do before now to make 100,000 naira every month? Okay, you need to double that effort. Okay, and you need to add more things. If you didn't advertise, you need to start advertising. Okay, if you didn't create content on social media, you have to start creating content. What is it that you missed that you didn't do before now, which you were able to make 100,000 naira? Okay, what is it that you didn't do before now? All right, you need to sit down and write it out. Write out what you didn't do before now, and then see how you can do it in the next level to go higher. Okay, if you didn't advertise, you have to send out money for adverts on social media platforms. Okay, if you didn't tell people, if you didn't create content on your social media platforms, then you have to start creating content on your social media platforms. All right, my superstars, so that is what you do to make achievable goals. You have to create realistic goals. All right, so many people start the year by having very, very big dreams. Okay, you made 2.4 million naira in a year and you're thinking of making 40 million naira in a year. My God, what is it that you're going to do to achieve that goal? Are you going to increase your products? Are you going to get loans to increase your business? Are you going to where are you going to get money from to increase your products? Okay, what are you going to do to increase your sales, to reach a larger number of people? What are you going to do to generate leads that will result in sales? All right, so you need to take realistic steps. Okay, create content, advertise. And if you've been thinking of how to create content, you're like, I don't know how to create content. I need a content plan for my business. All right, then let me know in the comment section. Okay, I can give you content plan that will help you create content for your business for a week. All right, so if you would love something like that, write it in the comment section. The more comments I get would mean that a lot of people are interested. Okay, this will make me draw out a content plan for a week for a business owner. All right, for businesses. So let me know in the comment section if you would love something like that. Then I'll create a video on a content plan for a week for business owners. All right, my superstars. So I know and I trust that this year will be a fantastic year for you. By the time you take out the approach I've mentioned and create realistic goals, then by the end of 2025 we will celebrate. All right, if you have any question, leave it in the comment section and I'll get right back to you, my superstars. All right, thank you for watching. Have you liked this video? Please give it a thumbs up. Thank you, and don't forget to share. And if you have not subscribed, hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell for notifications whenever there's a new video. All right, thank you for watching, my superstars. Till our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Bye, superstars.